And these are our piglets with their mamas in their farrowing pen. They lock them in here because they are so strong. Pigs! Hey babies! Y'all looking up. Pig, 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 pig! Hey piggies! She was a big producer. She had a total of 14. 12 survived. We got one in the house. She's our little baby. There's 10 out here right now. There's their little shelter. This is their giant pen. Everything you see. Oh, sorry about that. Everything you see there. It's all just 3 acres running wild when they get out. They're right in there. You know, the other pigs that are eating up on the dam. They're eating way up there somewhere. Having their morning supplements. This is Ginger, the red girl. Ginger baby. Good girl. What you doing? Ginger. There she is. Ginger baby girl. Oh, she's sweet. She'll let you pat up on her, rub up on her. Hey piggies, what y'all doing? He's gonna itch his booty. Checking out the mama. Mama Charlotte. Here's Mama Charlotte. Here's those cute piglets. Yeah, I got waddles and mulefoot. Watching Mr. Food Man over here. And they're bedding back down. See, it's wide open for them. They got so much land to play and live in. They got lots of piglet fun in the morning. What are you doing over there? What you hanging on to him for? It's a boy. You're a boy. Silly. Anyhow, it's just a little bit of their house. Hey, Charlotte. Good girl. And this is the supplement, the non-GMO supplement. Give them about, because they have babies, about 10 to 15 pounds a piece. And there's our mama. Alright.